Hello, fam. How are you doing, guys? This is the Radio Apprentice, and you're watching our Vault Virtual Podcast. Initially, we were talking about podcasting. We discussed the area where we try to hold strong as to the fact that you cannot be doing podcasting if you're not passionate about it, because there's so many expectations that you might end up building around podcasting that might not come to light initially. But then you know very well that this is all about training yourself and building something from scratch. Something you're not sure where you're going to with it, but you're very certain that it's going to expose you for the right reasons and the right way. Then we're going to start talking about how to arrange your content, how to present yourself, how to create your podcast topic, uh, and then we can go on from there. There's a whole lot to do when it comes to preparing yourself for podcasting. And also, before we go on to the next stage where we start discussing your content, your ideas, your podcast title, and your podcast topic, you see that idea that's coming into your head right now, those topics that are popping in your head right now. Don't be in a hurry, okay? If you're already a podcaster, try not to put everything in one basket. That topic that is bubbling around you right now will just join the wind if you put it out there at once. Okay, just calm down. We're going to discuss how to separate everything, how to create highlights from your topics, how to start your conversations, how to end them, how to prepare yourself for the next episode. These are very important tips for podcasting. And as a matter of fact, if you can put yourself in order, okay, organize yourself properly during your sessions and during your preparatory sessions as well, you have wonderful moments with podcasting. You will always be there because if you're not going to run out of content at any point in time, then you're good to go. The problem with podcasting is that we pour out everything and then we get to run out of content and then we get tired of podcasting because you're out of content, you're struggling to bring back a content, and then at the same time you're not sure what podcast is doing for you. So at this point in time you're like, okay, so why am I struggling? That's okay. So it's easier to prepare yourself properly before you get started. Thank you very much, guys.